Okay. Greetings to my nieces and nephews, my other nibblings in the universe. This is Uncle Fonzo, once again traveling down the path to try to understand TypeScript with React. We're gonna take a little different turn here. So I did this one with Jack. And I did not push it up because this was pretty, well, it's a little difficult to kind of follow along with and conceptually understand everything that's happening, right? So what I'm going to do instead is, where is it? I had it open a minute ago. I was looking at it. I was looking right at it. Oh, there it is. Bing. I'm going to do this. I'm going to do this. This is not going to be in TypeScript. This is going to be regular React. And hopefully, well, the goal is to understand Redux Toolkit again. I've done this before, and I really enjoyed it. I think this is probably like the best breakdown of Redux Toolkit out there. And this is aging. This is 3 years old now. So we're going to see how well this goes. Maybe after this, I will try to figure out like how to do the same thing, but like from the perspective of TypeScript, right? Anyway, so I'm gonna do this because I did this before, but I didn't record that time I did it. So let's see. Let's go. Okay, so Redux tutorial, an overview and walkthrough. Do you have experience using React? Have you heard of Redux, but you've put off learning it because it looks very complicated and all the guides seem overwhelming? Yeah, for real, they really did. If that's the case, this is the article for you. Contain your fear of containing state and come along with me on this relatively painless journey. Prereqs, you must already know how to use React for this tutorial. Alright, familiarity with HTML, CSS, ES6 syntax, knowledge of React terminology, state, components, props, lifecycle, and hooks, knowledge of router, knowledge of asynchronous JavaScript, making API calls, download Redux Toolkit for Chrome or for Firefox. Good call. Do I have that set up? Redux DevTools, yes. Let's pop you up in here. Alright, cool. Okay, goals in this tutorial: we will build a small blog app. It will fetch posts and comments from an API. Let's see, I've created the same app with both plain Redux and Redux Toolkit. We officially sanctioned toolset for Redux. Here are the links to the source and demos of both the plain and RTK versions. Source. Demo app, plain Redux, React Redux Toolkit app, source, demo app. Alright. Oh, interesting. Where did she go? Sandbox. Code Sandbox. Code Sandbox app. Oh, interesting. Code Sandbox as a deployment platform. Interesting. Okay. Note the applications are pulling from a real API via JSON placeholder API. Due to rate limiting on Code Sandbox, the API may appear slow, but it has nothing to do with the Redux application itself. You can also clone the repository locally. You will learn what is Redux and why you might want to use it. Terminology: Redux, actions, reducers, store, dispatch, connect, and container. Making asynchronous API calls with Redux Thunk. How to make a small real-world application with React and Redux. How to use Redux Toolkit to simplify Redux app development. What is Redux? Redux is a state container for JavaScript applications. Normally with React, you manage state at a component level and pass state around via props. With Redux, the entire state of your application is managed in one immutable object. Every update to the Redux state results in a copy of sections of the state plus the new change. Right here, I'm going to adjust my mic. Hold on. this way or this way or this way. All right, let's try this. Okay, so what is Redux? Redux is a state container for JavaScript applications. Normally, with React, you manage state at a component level and pass state around via props. I just read that, didn't I? With Redux, the entire state of the application is managed in one immutable object. Every update to the Redux state results in a copy of sections of the state plus the new change. It was originally created by Dan Abramov and Andrew Clark. Thanks to their resources there. Why should I use Redux? Easily manage global state, access or update any part of the state from any Redux connected component. Easily keep track of changes with Redux dev tools. Any action or state change is tracked and easy to follow with Redux. The fact that the entire state of the application is tracked with each change means you can easily do time travel debugging to move back and forth between changes. The downside to Redux is that there's a lot of initial boilerplate to set up and maintain, especially if you use plain Redux without Redux Toolkit. A smaller application may not need Redux and may instead benefit from simply using the context API for global state needs. In my personal experience, I set up an application with context alone and later needed to convert everything over to Redux to make it more maintainable and organized. Terminology. Usually I don't like to just make a list of terms and definitions, but Redux has a few that are likely unfamiliar, so I'm just going to provide them all up front to make it easier to refer to them. Back to them alone. Although you can skip to the beginning of the tutorial section, I think it would be good to read through all the definitions just to get exposure and an idea of them in your head first. Actions, reducers, store, dispatch, connect. I'll just use the typical to-do application and the action of deleting a to-do for the examples. Actions. Action sends data from the application to the Redux store. An action is conveniently an object with two properties: type and optional payload. Type is generally an uppercase string assigned to a constant that describes the action. The payload is additional data that may be passed. Action. Alright, delete, yeah. Action creators. An action creator is a function that returns an action. Alright, delete to do. Arrow function returns your type delete to do, delete, payload ID. Action creator. Okay, reducers. A reducer is a function that takes two parameters, state and action. A reducer is immutable and always returns a copy of the entire state. A reducer typically consists of a switch statement that goes through all possible action types. Alright, reducer, initial state. Loading has errors. Function to do reducer, initial state action. It takes two parts, state and action, initial state, switch, filter to do, Entire state reducer typically consists of a switch statement that goes through all possible action types. Case, delete, Okay, so you see that reminds me of, okay, wait, here, let's see, what's that? Okay, wait. VS Code. Reducers, move to do, state action. State action. Reducer. Reducers. It's an arrow function. Add to do, remove to do. Store. Okay, and this is the old app from Jack's video, right? Store. The Redux application state lives in the store, which is initialized with a reducer. When used with React, a provider exists to wrap the application, and anything within the provider can have access to Redux. Import, create store from Redux, import provider from Redux, store. Okay, there's a store, store, render provider, store, provider. Okay, so now our store. Reducer, provider. What's provider at? Provider, store, create store. Redux application state lives in the store, which is initialized with a reducer. When used with React, a provider exists to wrap the application, and anything within the provider can have access to Redux. Aha. 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 Alright, where are you at? Where is store coming in? Where's that being fed into here? Just show to-dos. Where is that being fed? A slight distraction here. Store. Used to do store, import store. There we go. From store. There we go. Import store. There we go. And store. Config store. Reducer. Reducer to do slice dot reducer. Reducer from reducers. See, separate out to a separate thing because this is supposed to be separated to separate. Aha! Yes, because you got the reducer sitting inside the store. Aha! Get out the way. Reducer to do slice, right? To do slice dot reducer. To do slice dot reducer. Okay, wait. Store, create store, reducer, create store, reducer, initial state, reducer from dot reducers. Okay, right. Getting all in my head. Okay, sorry. Continuing. Okay, dispatch. Oh wait, reduce. Yeah, store. Okay, dispatch. Dispatch is a method available on the store object that accepts an object which is used to update the Redux state. Usually this object is the result of invoking an action creator. Okay, dispatch use effect, dispatch, delete to do, dispatch, okay, connect. The connect function is one typical way to connect React to Redux. A connected component is sometimes referred to as a container. Okay, that about covers it for the major terms of Redux. It can be overwhelming to read the terminology without any context, so let's begin. Alright, let's get cracking. Redux requires a few dependencies: Redux, core library, React, Redux, React bindings for Redux, Redux Thunk, async middleware for Redux. Okay, Redux DevTools extension. Connects Redux app to Redux DevTools. You can yarn add or npm them, and I'll be using React Redux DOM as well. Right? But that's it for extra dependencies. Okay. Alright, so let's get ready to rumble. Delete all the boilerplate. We'll add everything we need from scratch instead. CD source and RM all. move to source and delete all files within. All right. Okay, so let's do this. Let's say, I guess we're making a new directory. Oh, didn't even see that. Right there in my face. Influence create React app Redux tutorial. You know what? Yeah. Yes, let's get going. Okay. React app. Redux tutorial. Again, I don't know. Redux tutorial. Yeah, why not? Redux tutorial again. Yeah. Let's do this. Let's say Tania's thing. Okay. Again. All right. Get cracking with that. And we wait for the universe to contract. And wait for the universe to expand. Contracting and be expanding. Alright. So now let's see the into that. Redux tutorial again. See all of our things. Great. So package lock. Wait, that ran node modules? I wanted to do yarn, but whatever. Well, you can. So let's just wait. Let's just follow this exactly. I don't want to do npm, but we're gonna do this. Redux, React, Redux, dash thunk, right? Redux, DevTools, dash extension, and React router. Oh, where? Router DOM. Okay. React router DOM. Okay. Oof, man, it's pretty long, man. Okay. Yarn add. See, if you already did that with node modules, you can't do that with yarn again, right? Because wouldn't you need a yarn log file? Alright, let me not get distracted by that. React router DOM, blah 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 blah, and all the things. Not found. It's DevTool extension. DevTool. DevTool. Yep. DevTools. S. All right. Everything else spelled right. Okay. Severe blah blah blahs. Okay, let's try this in. And let's do dash force. Still can't. Oh, okay. All right, man. See, that's what I want. Yarn. See. Let's see. I wonder. Didn't you? Okay, wait. Cat package. Oh, cat package. Do this. Yes. Cat package dot JSON. Show me. Yes, that's all I care about is that's it in there. Okay, so clear this, load that, rm minus rf, whack that, let's see, rm, package, lock, okay, and yarn add, I just do yarn add, npm install, yarn add package. That should run. Oh, missing list of packages to add to your project. Oh, what's the command? What's the incantation for yarn install? Is it just yarn install? Yes. Okay, here we go. Do one yarn instead of npm. Let's see what the outcome is. Can't speak to yarn. Okay, great, Ruby. All right, cool. Oh, and yeah, since this is sitting here, this is just the official documentation for Redux Toolkit that I got back here. So. Yeah, tutorial on here, yada yada, but I really like hers better. So that's what's going on. Is this still running? I still have this running. I still have this running. Wait. We should shut that down for now. Shut that off. That's the last one with Jack. His Redux tutorial, TypeScript. So all right, let's close that. Yeah. All right. I won't even get into what this is. It's just so gnarly to have to deal with. Yeah, let's move this out the way, off screen. Okay, let's do that. Yeah, let's come back to this. All right. So getting back to it. All right, so we got all those installed. CDSRC. We're in that, and she wants us to whack. Lord, all the things. Move this and delete all the files within. All right. Oof, jeez. Okay. All gone. We'll make directories for Redux reducers and Redux actions, as well as pages and components, which you should already be familiar with from React. Interesting, pages. So that's like the next setup, right? So. Actions, components, pages, reducers, actions, components, pages, reducers. All right, and we'll bring back index, app.js, and index.js. Touch, index, x.js, index.css, and app.js. All right. Wow. Okay, cool. So here's our new layout. All right, so at this point, yeah, your directory tree should look like this. Do I have that? Hang on. Should I do that with that? Wait, really? app tree app. Wait, hang on. Unix install tree. How to install tree with command? Yes. Apt-get install. Oh, apt-get install tree. Okay. Boing. Okay, let's get in here. Install tree. Chucklehead. Okay. All right. There we go. So now I can say, hey, tree. A tree is a tree dot. Tree this. I don't know. It's like this. Yes. There we go. Now your thing should look like this. Okay, great. I think it does. Okay, do we have everything? Actions, components, pages, reducers, app.js, index. Okay, cool. For the index CSS file, just take the contents of this gist and paste it. I intend only to go over functionality and not anything about style, so I just wrote some very basic styles to ensure the site looks decent enough. All right, let's go with that. So we're gonna come out of this, and all right, we got everybody, and we gotta get going in here. Boing. And no, you can get tired of me saying boing, right? Doing that. Okay, get that ready. Let's pop that open. I was really going to copy that and put that in the thing. Boy, oh boy. Okay. Copy and plop that in. Oh, okay. Paste it. Okay, no. Alright, you're making my life difficult, man. Paste that. Alright, basic CSS. Okay, solid. Yeah, okay, cool. Let's go back. Okay. Now we have enough boilerplate to get started, so we'll begin work on I had to cough there. All right, now we have boilerplate to get started, so we'll begin working on the entry point, setting up the Redux store. So close that right now. All right. When I first started on Redux, it seemed so overwhelming because every app I looked at had index.js set up a bit differently. Yes, man. What was this, like 2018? Was it 2018? I think it was 2018. What? Anyway, 28. Yeah. Wait. What year was that? IMDb. Black Panther. What year was that? 2018. Yeah. Okay. So 2018. Was it 2018? I was looking at Redux. No, it was 2017. Yeah. Okay, that was first year. 2017, 2018. Those years looking at Redux for the first time. Yeah, on GitHub, just chaos. One of the reasons I was not impressed with React development back then was just, oh my god, too much chaos. So yeah, overwhelming because every app I looked at had index.js set up a bit differently. Man, after looking at a lot of more up-to-date apps and taking the aspects that were common across all of them, I got a good feel of what should really be in a Redux app, and what is just people moving things around to be unique. Yes, this respect. Oh man, there are plenty of tutorials out there that show you how to get a very basic Redux store with to-do set up, but I don't find that very useful for knowing how to make a production level setup. So I'm going to set it up with everything you need from the get-go. Even so, there will be some opinionated aspects because Redux is very flexible. In index.js, we'll be bringing in a few things. Create store. To create the store that will maintain the Redux state. Apply middleware to be able to use middleware, in this case Thunk. But see, that's the thing that he didn't mention anything about Thunk. Interesting. Provider to wrap the entire application in Redux. Thunk, a middleware that allows us to make asynchronous actions in Redux. Compose with DevTools. Code that connects your app to Redux DevTools. Okay. So, Index.js. Okay, all of external imports, local imports, assets. Ah, this is beautiful. Look at this. Just it's just things that explain what is what. Okay. Okay. All right. So where are we going? We're going to index.js, command index.js. Let's open you up. Come here. All right. And let's close that. And let's type it by hand because it feels good in our fingers when we do that. Okay. React. From React. Alright. And to import. Render. From React DOM. Import. Create store. Create store. Oh, interesting. Create store. Create store. What is that? Apply. Nope. Apply. Middleware. Apply middleware. Right. Redux. Uh-oh. Why is create store got a line through it? Create store dot apply middleware from Redux. Remember, this is 3 years old, so something may have Fighter? Something may have aged out, huh? Fighter? From React Redux. And import thunk from Redux thunk import composed with dev tools from Redux dev tools no. Extend import local imports. All right. Yeah, we gotta go back and take a look at why that was doing what it's doing. Import app from app. Import root user from /root users. All right. Sets. Import. Oh wait, where you at? Because you're an SS. Import. Import. Index.css. Okay. All right. Why do you have a line through you? What's the deal? Create store. Okay, all imports and import declaration are used. Create store is deprecated. I knew it. The declaration was marked as deprecated here. Uh-oh. Create store is deprecated. Yes. I kind of gather that. What has it been replaced with? The declaration was marked as deprecated here. Let's see. Deprecated. Store creator. Deprecate. We recommend using the configure store method. Okay, configure store. Configure store. Configure store? Oh boy. What's that gonna do? Configure store. I just saw it. Deprecated and you configure store method package which replaces create store. Is I recommended Redux Toolkit approach for writing Redux logic today, including the store for more. Configure store is an improved version of Create Store that simplifies setup and helps avoid common bugs. You should not be using the Redux core package by itself today, except for lead. What does that say? Except for learning purposes, right? Should not use the Redux core pack. The create store method from the core Redux package will not be removed, but we encourage all users to migrate to using Redux Toolkit for all Redux code. Oh, because this is not Toolkit yet. Right. This is because she doesn't get into Toolkit until later, right? Redux DevTools, setting up Redux actions. Right, because then she explains Toolkit, connecting Redux to React components. Toolkit, right. One more thing I want to cover. Toolkit is a newer and easier, efficient way to use Redux. Right, because her tutorial starts off with doing regular Redux. Yeah, I just care about Toolkit. Redux Toolkit or RTK is a newer and easier, efficient way to use Redux. You may notice that Redux has a lot of boilerplate for setup and requires many more folders and files than plain React would. Some patterns have emerged to attempt to mitigate all that, such as Redux duck pattern, but we can simplify it even more. View the source of the demo Redux Toolkit application, which is the same application we just created with Redux, but using RTK. It is much simpler with a drastic reduction in lines of code for all the same functionality. Using RTK just requires one dependency, Redux Toolkit, and no longer requires you to install the Thunk. That's why, right? Thunk DevTools extension dependencies. Advantages to Redux Toolkit. Oh yeah, no, we're doing this. We're not doing. I'm not interested in. Okay, so what do we do? Okay, let me read this first. View the source of the demo Redux Toolkit application, which is the same application we just created with Redux, but using RTK is more simpler. Using RTK just requires one npm Redux Toolkit. No longer requires you to install Thunk or DevTools extension dependencies. Advantages to Redux Toolkit. Easier to set up, less dependencies, reduction of boilerplate code, one slice versus many files for actions and producers, sensible defaults. Redux Thunk, Redux DevTools built in, right? The ability to use direct state mutation. Since RTK uses Emmer under the hood, this means you no longer need to return the state for every reducer store. Since Toolkit comes with a lot of built-in already, like Redux DevTools, we no longer have to bring them into the index.js file. Now we only need to configure store instead of create store. Wait, isn't that what we just... Wait, right here. Configure store, yes. Instead of this. Okay, alright, wait. Okay, so let's go here. We're doing okay, here we're doing this. Gimme. Yarn add Redux.js. Okay. Toolkit. Alright, yeah, we're not doing the old Redux stuff. I'm not interested in that. Let's do that. And no longer requires you to install the Redux Thunk or Redux Thunk. There's an extension again, advantages to toolkit, blah 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 blah. All right, so let's get back to this. Boom, and we're gonna change that. Configure store. Do we care about apply middleware? I don't think we care about that anymore, do we? No, because we're changing all that. All right, so let's get to it. We're gonna kill this. That becomes this. This becomes at redux.js/toolkit. Provider. Okay, cool. We don't need Thunk because Thunk is already in the thing. And we don't need this because that's also already in the thing. So, toolkit. Okay. So now it's like that. Ta-da. Okay, great. All right. Index.js, I'm gonna file, right? Yeah. Local reducers. Okay. Import you. Okay. Now we're gonna go down here and get this going. And what is this? Configure store. Yeah, this is our store. I wonder if wait, did she have any other stuff set up here before? Nah. Okay. Yeah. No. Okay, wait. Go back up here. All the way up here. Just want to see this originally. Yeah, we're not doing all that. Let's look at that. Setting up the store. Nah. Okay. Go ahead. That. Yada yada yada. Okay. Right at the beginning. Right. Because we had this. DevTools, apply middleware. Thunk. Yeah, nope. Not doing that. DevTools. Okay. Let's go back. Down here. Nope. Oh, yeah. Redux Toolkit. Okay. All right. Store. Okay. Let's say the store. Just say constant store equals and configure store root reducer. Root reducer. Render. See, that's the root reducer. That's what we used before, right? And Jax vid. So let's get down here. We'll say provider. Does that automatically? No. So just track that. Let's do that. Provider store. Store. And what? No? Okay, alright. App. Okay, I forget element by ID. Okay, alright, so all that's set. Okay, excuse me. Alright, store slices instead of dealing with reducers, actions, and all as separate files. And individually creating all those action types. RTK gives us the concepts of slices. A slice automatically generates reducers, action types, and action creators. As such, you'll only have to create one folder, slices. Huh. Okay, so wait, so you're saying instead of all of that, all I really need is one folder, slices. slices, creating a post, post.js. Okay, now we're in post, and you import create slice, create slice from at Redux.js / toolkit. Export constant initial state. Okay. Loading true. Oh, loading is false. Sorry. Loading is false initially. All right. As errors is false initially. And post a blank array. Okay, that's our initial state. Post. Slices. A slice automatically generates reduces actions, and such you'll have to create one from. Initial state will look like this. The name of the reducers in the slice will also be the same. Get post success, and get post failure. We'll make all the same changes, but note that we're no longer returning the entire state. We're just mutating state. It's all immutable under the hood. This approach may be easier and faster for some. If preferred, you can still return the whole state as an object. A slice for posts with our 3 reducers. Reducers. So that's what he had going on. Just open friends. Will you open up a different? Yeah, okay. So 20 React. Okay, boom. So that's what this was all about. To do slice. Oh, slices. Slices from toolkit. Okay. I'm trying to not keep going back to that, but doing this has helped me to figure out what the heck was going on before with that. Okay. Anyway, so a slice. A slice post with our 3 reducers. Okay. So I can post it. Post slice. Create slice. That's gonna be an object. That object will have name. Name. And who's next? Initial state. Initial state. Reducers. Get post. Let's see. State. State loading true. Now we're setting that to true as was before. Loading was originally false. Okay. And now we're going to do post get post success. Git post success. Git post success. State payload. State dot post. Payload. State dot loading. False. All right. State dot has errors. False. Git post failure. State loading is now false on this one. And again, and state dot has errors is equal to true. Okay, well, that's what's gonna do that for us. Okay, yep, so that's our slice. And see, I like it like this. It was pulled out like this because I understand what that, because it's easier to see. Oh, come here. Because it's easier to see what the heck is going on. Initial state, that state loading true, right? Initial state. And then that's your slice. But wait, but you got your reducers inside. Yeah, okay. Reducer's supposed to be there, right? So reducers inside that. Initial state loading, state dot loading, initial state. State dot to do's, state dot to do's, state dot to do's, state dot to do's, state dot to do. Okay, let's keep going down here. All right, slice. So we got the slice in place. The actions that get generated are the same. We just don't have to write them out individually anymore. From the same file, we can export all the actions, the reducer, the asynchronous thunk, and one new thing, a selector, which we will use to access any of the state from a React component instead of using connect. Look at that. Okay, 3 actions generated from the slice. The reducer, the selector, asynchronous thunk action, dispatch. Okay, wait. Slice, that's import, that's state, that's the slice. This guy has to come down here, so. Right, so. Reactions. Let's see. Can I do this? Generated from the slice. Typing sucks, boy. I see. Man. Typing game. Typing racer. Typing game. Okay, hold on. Okay, too many. Yeah. Okay, we need to get into this. Good grief. My fingers are moving too slow, man. Okay, let's go back. Let's go back. Oh my God, where is it? Right here. All right. All right, here we go. So here we got this. All right. Export const. Grab all these things from post slice dot action. Hang on, is that what's there? Actions. Okay. Actions. All right, and the actions that we are snatching out of post slice are get post. Oh, how cute! Get post success. Get post and get post failing. Thank you very much. Okay, now let's get back over here. Let's close that. Let's get back over here, and who's next? A selector. A selector. Selector. Export constant post selector state start reducer. All right, export default post slice dot reducer. Okay, the reducer okay, 3 actions generated from the slice. Right, a selector. The reducer. Let's see, I want to do it again. Because we saw this stuff down here. We're like, what the heck was that? Select to dos. Selector. State. That's this. A selector. That's what this is. A selector. Default store the reducer. Post slice dot reducer. Default store. Action creators are generated for each case reducer function. 3 the actions generated from the slice. The actions. Hang on. Whack that. Actions generated from the slice. Actions generated from the slice. Store, configure store. Doing that here like that. Let's see, out of place. Post slice. Yep. Slices. Add to do, remove to do. What's that doing there? The store. Reducer. Selector. That's the selector. So reducer. I bet you this is the reducer. I bet you. The reducer. Reducer maybe. All right. Again, I'm using her thing to help me illuminate his thing. Okay. All right. Okay. So where we at? We at that. We got that. Yeah. Okay. Asynchronous thunk action. Asynchronous thunk action. Is that what you were up to here? Action. I don't know. Let's see. So let's go here. We're gonna say async dunk action export fetch posts, get those posts, get all posts. Okay. Turn sync dispatch. Dispatch, dispatch, get post, dispatch, get post. Dispatch, get post, okay. Try catch. Try catch. Try catch. Error. Okay, try catch. Excuse me. Dispatch. Dispatch. Post failure. Dispatch get post failure. Okay. Dispatch get post success. Get post success. Constant response equals, oh wait, second, right, so fetch, and we are fetching, oh yeah, JSON data, HTTPS, JSON placeholder dot oh yeah, I gotta fix that thing on the page. Post. I gotta fix that API on one of my apps. Post, because I know that thing's expired. Alright. Data. Constant data. Await response dot JSON. Data await response.json. Post success, pass that data to that. Okay. Alright, so dispatch. Where was dispatch? Dispatch. Dispatch. Where you at, dispatch? No, not that. Not that dispatch. Really? That's it? Really? Not in here? Interesting. Dispatch. Okay, wait. We got a dispatch here. Function use to do manager. Dispatch use reducer. Dispatch is throw, add, remove. We got actions. Use to do manager. Dispatch. Use callback. Okay, what? Okay. 3, right. All of that here. Oh, okay, 6. Okay. Dispatch fetch. Okay. Ooh, that's all over the place. Use callback, dispatch attitude. Yeah, what? Okay. Nope. Okay. Asynchronous thunk action. Alright. Dispatch. Let's see. Thunk. Alright, keep going. The actions that get generated are the same. We just don't have to write them out individually anymore. From the same file, we can export all the actions, the reducer, the asynchronous thunk, and one new thing, a selector, which we will use to access any of the state from a React component instead of using connect. Okay, so this is our slice file. All of that is related to slice. Okay, selecting Redux state in a React component. The traditional approach, as we just learned, is to use map state to props with the connect function. This is still common in code bases and therefore worth learning. You can still use the approach with RTK, but the newer React hooks way of going about it is to use dispatch and use selector for Redux. This approach requires less code overall as well. Yes, as you can see in the updated post page .js file below. Pages. Let's go to pages. Pages. We're going to create post page .js. As you can see in the updated post page file below, the Redux state is no longer available as props on the connected component, but from the selector we export it in the slice. All right, so I just want the first line. Copy, paste. Okay, we're doing that again. Copy, paste. All right. Okay. Okay, wait, what mode am I in? Gimme. All right. Import object from React Redux. Use dispatch. Use selector. Dispatch use selector. Okay. And import fetch post slash post selector from selector from slices post slices post. Okay. Oh wait, let's turn this off. Fetch post list. Okay. Import post from components slash post let's see, const. Okay, const dispatch use dispatch. Oh, wait, pop that open. There we go. All right, first loading as errors. And we're pulling that out of use selector. Host page dispatch, use selector. Okay, that doesn't make sense. Like, who's gonna even think it like that? You're gonna be more like, hey, grab me stuff from use selector. Use selector, right? And we're passing post selector into use selector. Why are we passing post selector into use selector? In traditional repos, as you can see, up the page for Redux available props looking at the component, but with the selector we export it at the slice. Use selector. The traditional approach, okay, no, there's still common code base. You can still use the newer React hooks way of doing about it. To use dispatch and use selector from React Redux. Use selector, post selector. We need post selector for this. Post selector. And post selector looks like what? Go to definition. Post, no. Slices post here. Post selector. Post slices. Post selector. Post selector. Post selector. A selector. State. State.post. 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 Errors post the initial state of post slice. Right. Post selector state.post. Okay. So that's where this comes from. Really, why didn't that just sort of prompt me into what that was, right? Post selector. Since understood as a loss. Let's see. Okay, let's go back to that. Okay. Wrap that around my noggin, like. Okay, all right. Use effect. All right, so now we got dispatch use selector. Dispatch use selector. Hang on, split this. You go over here, and I want to see this. Index. Index. We care about this. That's just slice. Post selector. Who is post selector? Slices, post, fetch post, post. Does fetch post even exist? Fetch post. Oh yeah, there's fetch post. Post selector. Right. Receives the state. Returns state post. State post. The state post. Loading has errors. Post. That's this. Initial state. The state.post. Get post, receive state. Initial state. Boolean posting. Interesting. Alright, so let's go back. Okay. Use effect. Use effect. Use effect. Use effect. Use effect. Let's get that, and let's do that. Dispatch. Fetch. Post. Fetch post. Oh, it's already there, isn't it? Dispatch, fetch, post. Yeah. Oh, nope, come here. Sometimes it's hard to see where it's going. Dispatch, fetch, post. Dispatch. Dispatch, fetch, post. Acquired. Dispatch. Fetch, post. That's a fetch. Fetch, post. Dispatch. So now we're grabbing the post when you load the page. Saying right, okay. Now we've got constant render post. If loading, return, okay, where's the return loading posts? If has errors, return if has errors, return unable to display posts. Unable to display posts. Okay. Return post. Return post dot map. Okay, so render post. Right in the render post, grab all the posts. Now we're making a function render post. If loading is true, loading post. If it has errors true, return that. Else return post dot map. Use selector post selector. Use selector post. So that's all that's happening in the slice. That where those are true, run that. That's all that's happening in the slice, right? Right. Stay loading. Loading has errors. Get post success, post failure. Dispatch. Get post success. Dispatch. Get post failure. Data. Post success. Data. Get post failure. Get post failure. I'll tell you loading is false, has errors true. Post success. Post payload. Loading false, has errors false. Interesting. Let's see. Okay, so return post.map. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna do all this, and you're gonna do that, and we're gonna have a key, and that key is gonna be post ID. Because it's gotta be unique, and we're gonna have posts. Those posts gotta be post. Some excerpt. I don't know if we even have excerpt built yet, but okay. All right, so that's that. Okay. Now we're going to return. Oops, let's do this. Going to return selector. Oh no, wait, section. Gotta break down that for me. H1B. Okay. What the hell? H1B. Still H1. Still not okay. Post. So it's not working. I don't know. So, as render post. As the function. And that's it. Okay. And then finally, export default post page. Export default post page. Okay. Oh wait, S post page. Okay. Oh, geez. Now we have the same app as before with a few updates from Redux Toolkit and a lot less code to maintain. Yeah, that's all I care about. I'm not doing that other mess. I'm not interested in that. Just Redux Toolkit. The other thing is a mess. Redux Toolkit post page post. Yeah. Because I think that turned me off to React was Redux. That's one of the things. And then I was all into Vue 2 back then. Vue? Yeah, Vue and Vue 2. Yeah. Yeah. I think they had like Vuex or something. Yeah, that was fun. Okay, so yeah. So that's what we're doing. Oh, conclusion. That's it. Boom. Oh, well, that's it. Did we even run this? Wait a minute. Wait. Let's open you up. You even because yeah, we're getting the data from JSON. What you call it? npm start doing all this stuff. Didn't even run that. That'd be like, oh god, please don't fail. Well, I'll fix it if you are, but let's see. Index.js module not found. Can't resolve reducers. In oh wait, did I delete that? Hang on. Oh, I may have. Okay, wait. Index. Oh, reducer, right? Because we don't even have. Oh wait, so let's go back because where you at? Where you at? Because we're not even using. What does your index look like now? You may not even mention this. Slices. Oh yeah, you know, index. There it is. Reducer. Oh, she didn't have the highlight. All right. Reducers, because your reducer is now living in a slice. Slices. Okay. Slices. That's care about that. This reducer. Yeah. Okay. Let's go back to you. Slice module not found. Can't resolve slices in src. Slices. Wait, where are you? I'm looking right at you. Slices. Reducer. Oh, what? Import reducer from slices. But see, slices slash post, because that's the only thing. Post slice is not defined. Get post failure is not defined. Uh-oh, we got some drama. Now, knowing me, I would have resolved this before. The last time I did this. Indexes and slices. Yeah, that's not right. Okay, wait. So let's go take a look at the old one. Redux tutorial. Yeah. What's that? Okay, cool. Code space dot. Open you up. Now let's look at this. App.js. We got nothing in here. Dashboard page. Post. Okay, wait. Index slices. Oh. Because she modified a few different things from. Okay. So it's only. All right. So index. So okay, wait. We gotta go back to stuff we gotta do. Okay, so let's get back to this and then slices. Let's go to this, which is this post, right? New file. Index.js. And that combine reducers. Redux. Post reducer. Reducer. Copy. Paste. Is that little error resolved? Yeah, I need you to be over here. Module cannot be found. Can't resolve post. Slices can't resolve post. close that. Where's slice? I got too much stuff going on. Close that. Where's slices? Oh, slices. Module not found. Can't resolve dot post in slices. In slices. Can't resolve post in slices. Where are you at? Index. You want a particular post. Okay, hang on. What are we doing? Can't resolve post. Index. Slices index. Alright, so we're in this file. Oh, slices index. We're in this file. Post reducer from dot post. Post reducer from dot post. That's the post. That's there. So can't resolve post from slices. Okay. Incomplete toolkit. Okay. Hang on. Tutorial. What is that? What are we doing? What? Okay, that's not making sense. Now we only need config. Okay, no, this is not. Okay. Slice post. Slices post. Post reducer. But there is no post reducer from. Oh, dot post plural. Oh. Rename. Slices post plural. Okay. That's why. Alright, so let's go back to this. Okay, post slice is not defined. Line post line 30. Post line 30. Post line 30. Most likely it's an S. Post slice. Yeah. Get post failure is not defined. Get post fit. Is that? Wait. Post success. Wait, no. Yeah. Yeah, it is. Wait a minute. Post failure. Post failure. Wait. Post failure. Wait, who's singular? Who is this? With a singular? Line 48. Oh, 48. We have whatchamacallits. There we are. Okay. Alright, error element type is invalid. Expected a string for built-in components or a class function for composite components but got an object. You likely forgot to export your component from the file it's defined in. Or you might have mixed up default and named imports. Source index. Is this supposed to be exported? Render. Element type is invalid except except a string for the. Oh, that's telling me right in the thing. So wait, this is not right. Come here, that looks like I jacked up the, yeah, we didn't close that. Render, get element, oh, there it is, it's closed. Okay, so, wait, that looks crazy. Index. Wait, why are we doing it like that when we've got all these? Okay, so over here, reuse this. Provider, store, app, provider, document, get element by ID, right? Render, reducer, app, provider, config, store, render, React. Redux Toolkit, React down. Okay. Store does not have a valid reducer. Make sure the argument passed to combine reducers is an object whose values are reducers. Configure store. Store does not have configure store. Rit reducer. So something's got to be wrong with the rit reducer. Slices. Oh god. Slices. Oh, right. Okay. No. Slices. Post reducer. Rit reducer. Post reducer. I just copy and pasted that over. Okay, wait. Wait, cannot find combine reducers from Redux. Cannot find module dot post. This is where you're crashing. Cannot find module dot post. From Redux. Okay, reducers, pages. Oh, you got rid of that. Oh, you cleaned all that up, didn't you? Yeah. Components. Yeah, we just deleted all that other stuff. Actions. Redux cannot find module. Post. Cannot find module. Post. Who can't find module? I don't understand. From Redux, cannot find module post. What the hell? Okay, what the frack? Reducers. What? Cannot find module post. What the heck? Slices, index, post. Index is the same. Post. What is missing? What's wrong? Slice, okay, loading, false. Post, initial state. I know it's going to be an S or something missing someplace. Loading true, for success, payload, yada yada yada. Post success. That should be an mess. Get post success, post failure, get post selector, state post reduce, post slice, reducer, what the frack? All that, okay, great. So that's fine, Redux cannot find module post, what the frack? Reduces, we got nothing. Pages, components, we got a post component. Can I find module.post combine reducers components? There's a post page. Hang on, new file, post.js. Here's our actual post page. Okay. Yeah, we're receiving a post. Got a post, receiving a post. Dot post. What the heck? And then here, right? With index.js. Index.js. Same thing. All that is in place. Store, configure store, reducer, root reducer. Root reducer is having a cow. Store does not have a valid reducer. Store does not have a valid reducer. Root reducer. So that's coming from slices. You go to definition for so. Whoa. The file is not displayed in the text edit because it is a directory. Wait a minute. If I hit, yeah, that goes source slices index. Wait a minute. Oh, what's happening here? Why is that not reading? Why is that not reading that? If I hover over you show me the module. src slices index. src slices index.js. What? But here you're not doing that. Oh, we got some weird going on. Okay, hang on. Hang on, stop you. I don't know if that makes sense. Start you again. Close that out. Let's go back here. Get post success. Get post. Oh, see, line 46 in slices post. 46 in slices post. 46. Yeah, because we changed the C look earlier. Okay. Okay, you should be doing something different. Okay. Element type is invalid. Expected a string. Element type is invalid. So all this is cracking up. Module webpack require webpack. Shit, that's what the heck? That's all the way down here. Okay, so index.js line 16. Index.js line 16 is failing. That's this. And that does not make sense. App.js. Do we have app.js? We have nothing in app.js. Route, right, because we're using router to get the dashboard and all that other stuff, right? Here, grab this. Copy. We're not going to get into that because that's paste. That's just regular React stuff. We're making a bunch of pages and components, and we're passing the data into the components, right? Making some routes. Okay, all the usual things. Be prettier to run on that, so, but See, React Router DOM, maybe that's normal stuff. But what? App.js attempted import error. Redirect is not exported from React Router DOM. Okay, so boy, oh boy. I want to do this tutorial, but just purely in the context of Toolkit. I don't care about old Redux from more than 2 years ago. App provider, index.js app provider. Bro, that code is fine. Why is that not picking that up? That is tripping me out. Dot slices. Right. Like, why are you not recognizing? Oh my god. App. Like, there it is. I mean, what? Oh, what the heck? What the heck? What was that? Whoa. Now it sees it? Why now it sees it. What? What the heck? Okay, what? That was wild. Redirect is not exported from React Router DOM. So it's app.js. Okay, so app.js. What line? Is there attempted import error? Redirect. React Router DOM. Redirect is not exported. Redirect? Oh! Redirect. Yeah, okay. Wait, but there it is right there. Bro, what is going on? There it is right there. There's a bug in VS Code. That's the only thing that would make this make sense. Because there it is right there. What are you talking about? It's not exported. Import redirect. Really? It's right there. What is this talking about? That's right there. What is going on? It's not exported from React Router DOM. Yes, it is. What the heck is going on? Redirect is not. Yes, it is. Oh my god. It's literally right there. Route. There's route. See it highlight? Redirect. There's redirect. See it highlight? What is this talking about? Pages, post page. Now there's a dashboard page that's missing. Okay, hang on. Let's go grab that from pages dashboard. Because I don't care about rewriting that right now. Dashboard page.js. Okay, grab that and paste that. Okay, so the dashboard page / link, yay, link. Okay, fantastic, great. Yeah, go away. Post page. What is that talking about? Is it maybe it was failing because that page wasn't there? Nope, that wasn't it. What is this madness? What is this madness? Why is it behaving so bizarrely? Attempted import redirect is not exported from. Woo! This is not right. This is not right. That's not right. Hang on, watch this. Let me go here. I'm gonna stop this from here. And I'm gonna go in here instead. I'm gonna go into terminal. And we're gonna say, jeez, what absolute? We're gonna go, I must have just pulled this from her thing. I'm gonna go npm. Oh, actually, yeah, okay. npm start. I bet you this loads up. Watch. Look at that mess. Hot mess. So why is this not loading? Oh, what? Oh, wait. No. That's because we're still looking at this. Okay, wait. My bad. Come on now. Just know that. Okay. Now let's start this up. All right, so we got npm start. npm start. What is this madness? What is this madness? This makes no sense. This makes no sense. What is going on? Let's take a look at the package JSON file. Is there a different something that was not installed? I don't. Okay, oh, we got some extra web vitals. Redux Thunk. We got a whole bunch of extra stuff in here actually. Testing library, React ARM, Redux, React Rotterdam, 512, 512, 614.2. Scripts is 2.3, Scripts is 3.0. The older one is 3.0. Redux 421, 405, Dev Tools, almost the same. Redux Thunk, slightly different. Vitals. Okay. This change right here is of interest. No, we don't care about this stuff. That's the deal. I think this is what's going on right here. 512 to 614. I suspect if I do this at the same number, that problem will go away. I wonder. If it's not this, oh. Wait. Let me undo that. Let's stop you. Let's do get at all. Get commit, work in progress. Why are you failing on me? Why are you failing on me? Okay. So we got that. Now let's go in here and change this to 5.1.2, and we will go here. We'll remove that. All right, and we will remove the lock file. Okay, now we will say reinstall them. I suspect. Let's see. Should really redo it with all the other stuff out of the way and then redo those Redux files so you really get the sense of what's going on there. Okay, cool. So we got that. All right, components, pages, slices, app, the app file. Yes. Look at the. Yeah, all these are just copy pasted over. So post, okay, pages. Okay, we got that. Uh-oh, what's this? Did I type that? Use effect. Grab post when page loads. Yes, I did. So this, import post for post. So this, oh my God. Typo. fetch post selector, use dispatch slices post, bringing in the asynchronous fetch post action. Okay, let's get some of that. Let's get some of that in there. And the async fetch post. Okay, fetch post selector. Post, capital P. Redux state is now in the props of the component. Show loading error on success state. Props of the component. Get over there. Show loading error or success state. Okay. Oh, we got a little thing here. Could not find name render. Oh. Yeah. Okay. Render post. Oh, we got a little thing here. Could not find name post page. Post page is not defined. Really? That is because there we go. Is it? There we go. Kitty cat is defined now, so what are we on about? Let's reload that. Nope. Still. What is this madness? Let's see. Let's see. Right. Post is not defined. You lie! You lie! It's right there. Cute. Copy that. Here, wait. Copy that. And paste that there. I don't know what else to do. Post page. Okay. Okay, great. All right, so post page. Okay, cool. All right, so who do I not? Okay, post page. Okay, that's you. Pages, post page. Redux state is now in the props of the component. Select grab post and page loads. Use selector. Show loading. Show loading. Loading arrow success state. Yeah, we wrote this out. I remember that. Post key. Post render post right. Okay, so okay. Individual post, right? All right, so let's go back to you. Oh, you can't be running, right? Hang on. So we got that. Post page this attempt to import error fetch post is not exported from slice post. At least that error message makes sense. Slice post. Fetch post is not exported. Fetch post. Export function fetch post. Okay, let's go back to this. Let's do this again. Let's check this again. Post. Post. Okay, post. Let's check this again. Post. Index, dispatch, export function, fetch post. Is there a misspelling? Because there's fetch post right there, and it is exported. I mean, it's exported. I mean, what are we talking about? Yeah. So maybe it's fetch. Yeah, it is a misspelling. Lowercase p. All right. Pages post page. Pages post page. Pages post page. Post. Ay. Oh boy. Man, I gotta go and rename all that. You know what? No, I'm gonna rename this. There we go. Oh my god. Okay. Great. Okay, so now we got that. Good grief, man. Lots of typos and a few of the missing pages from earlier on in the tutorial, which used in the regular Redux section. Oh yeah, kind of showing what was going on in the dev tools. And I kind of wanted to do that. That'd be nice. That'd be nice to do this with the dev tools so you could see it, but only as a toolkit tutorial, like a solid toolkit tutorial, right? Like the pages are already in place, and now we're gonna move state around, right? This is gold, but connecting Redux to React components, right? Okay, wait, back here, setting up the Redux store. Bringing in reducers. I'm kind of seeing a thing here where I'm in between spots with this mic. Just a little bit over here, just a little bit over there. I can't really hear what's going on, right? We got to kind of move it over this way. Kind of scooch you over a bit. Kind of scooch over a bit like this. There we go. Okay. All right, so, boy, oh boy. Wow, 2 hours. Okay, great. That's it for this, but it does give me still feeling incomplete, right? Like, how would you do Toolkit from scratch? Yeah, that's what we gotta do. Setting up Redux store. First started learning Redux and seemed overwhelming. Yes. Put a component app.js. We'll modify this later, but we just want to get the app up and running for now. Bringing in reducers. Finally, we'll make the post reducer. We can set it up with initial state, just like you might expect from a regular React component, while having a loading and errors state, as well as a post array where all the posts will live. First, we'll set it up with no actions in the switch, just a default case that returns the entire state. Reducers, right, because we just whacked all of that and just like, nope. Now at least have enough set up that the application will load without crashing. Redux dev tools, with the application loaded and the Redux provider set up, we can take a look at dev tools after downloading it. Tab in dev. If you click on the state, you'll see the entire state of the application so far. Dev tools, let's see this. Did we turn it off? Oh no, we didn't. Be over here. Turn it on. Press on. Turn this. Redux dev tools. Spec like the whole thing. Redux. Okay, there we go. Right, I want to see this down here. Okay, so let's. I don't know. I kind of want to snatch this out. Like put this over here and shrinkify, shrinkify, shrinkify. All right, so I don't need this right now. I don't think. I hope not. Who else is up here? Don't care about that right now. Care about this. All right. So let's move that over because we don't need all that space. Okay. When the application loading and the Redux provider is set up, we can take a look at Redux dev tools after downloading it. It'll be a tab in your developer tools. You click on state, you'll see the entire state of the application so far. State, yes, state, okay. Post, loading false, initial state, yep. Has errors, false post, awesome sauce. Okay. All right, what else we got? Okay, so, there's not much in there yet, but Redux dev tools, it's amazing what you get to have a lot of reducers and actions. Keeps track of all changes to your app and makes debugging a breeze compared to plain React. Setting up Redux actions. So now we have a reducer for posts, but we don't have any actions, meaning the reducer will only return the state after modifying it in any way. Actions are how we communicate with the Redux store. For this blog app, we're going to want to fetch posts from an API and put them in our Redux state. Since fetching posts is an asynchronous action, it will require the use of Redux Unfortunately, we don't have to do anything special to use thumb beyond. So we don't even need thumbs. So basically just this. That's all I'm doing is this part. So wait, hang on. So if we go back over here to Jack's part, dev tools. Hang on, let's get into this.
Nice. Counter add to do. All right, well, let's go and that's probably an issue over here. So Redux, what are some cool things about it? Well, we can go over here. We can see that when we run, I say hello. Nice. Counter add to do. All right, well, let's go and that's probably an issue over here. Store. Let's see. That's the name. Okay, let's make that to-dos. Cool. And now we can start to see, okay, so if I add one and I remove it, there we go, very cool. And so we can see all that using the Redux dev tools on the side that actually integrates with a bunch of different state managers, but obviously it's really good for Redux. All right, well, now let's see, so Redux.
Hang on, all right, so that shows you the different state as the state changes. When you navigate git post success, so we can see value of the state. You can even peek into see what the posts show up, all that jazz, like a giant epic console.log. So now you can see all the things, right? Cool. Initializing, right. All right, Ruby. I kind of want to see his app running in this as well. So let's open that up. There we go. And let's turn this one off. Close that. And we will run this app. Well, hang on. Run from here or run from here? Yeah, this is the one. All right, so let's open this up here and we'll say npm start. Now open up, hopefully, yes, there we go. And we can now do that. Let's do this. What does that do for me? Dev tools to left to right to bottom. Open in a panel. Ooh. All right, to bottom. Oh, wait, not like that. Sorry. Inspect. Okay, now I got that. Okay, wait, hang on. Redux. There we go. Okay. So let's make that big. Show his thing here. And we're gonna see, okay, so the initial to-dos empty, right? We got some other stuff. There's nothing in there. Yay, okay. So I'm gonna say 1. There's 1. I don't care about side by side. 1. And see, now we see this. And what's this gonna show us? It's gonna show us something in there. Yeah, 1. Okay. And 2 after 1. And we're gonna do that. And then we're going to say, oh, okay, well, now I've got this done for, oh, fantastic. Wow, interesting. And then 3me, we're going to 3me. Fantastic, 3me, okay, great. We can see 3me, fantastic. What about remove? Okay. What about remove? Now in remove, we can see it's actually taken off the stack there. Look at that. Neat. Okay, cool. All right.
What are some cool things about it? Well, we can go over here. We can see that when we run, I say hello. Nice. Counter add to do. All right, well, let's go and that's probably an issue over here. Store. Let's see. That's the name. Okay, let's make that to-dos. Cool. And now we can start to see, okay, so if I add one and I remove it, there we go, very cool. And so we can see all that using the Redux dev tools on the side that actually integrates with a bunch of different state managers, but obviously it's really good for Redux. All right, well, obviously this is just scratching the barest surface of Redux. Redux is monstrous and there's a huge ecosystem around it, but the Redux Toolkit does make it a lot easier. You can do.
All right, so this was me kind of reviewing and going over Jack's video content with regards to TypeScript, doing Redux in TypeScript, and one nice little form thing here, and Tanaya, wait, let me see the name here. This is great. Yeah, Tanaya. I'm gonna go with Tanaya. Could be Tania. I'm going with Tanaya. Excellent blog post about Redux and Redux Toolkit, with a focus on Redux Toolkit because I'm not trying to do this complicated nonsense that's already outdated because we got Redux Toolkit. So yeah, Redux Toolkit and TypeScript, Redux Toolkit and regular JavaScript. And yeah, I made a full recording of this. I'm not gonna post it because I was angry. That's the things. I was so like, what's going on? Why is this going here? What's going there? Oh my god. But really, I'm hoping to keep developing this. I want to do another video where we actually go and build this app out from scratch again with the pages. Posts, because you saw me just kind of copy those over because that was just building 2 pages, whatever. And then redoing the toolkit part from scratch so we can really see, okay, what's going on a little bit better, right? Just kind of reviewing her content just to help make sense out of what Jack was doing in his, and identify the various sections of things that were happening, right? Like his videos for someone who's got so much Redux and Redux Toolkit experience, you can already understand all that stuff, but you just need to see it in TypeScript, right? I guess. Yeah. So anyway, yeah. I'm gonna take a break because I've been on here for like 2 hours right now. And I think I'm gonna come back and do this again just one more time. Might be later this evening though, I don't know. But we'll see. Alright. I gotta go do a little side job thing later on. Okay. Until next time, Uncle Fonzo saying goodbye for now.